How to contact Google Business Profile Support. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be putting you through how you can contact Google Business Contact Support. So follow me till the end of this video. The first step is to log in into your Google Business account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you're brought to the page where you can see details about your business. You can see tools on how you can edit your Google Business Profile as well. And then once you're on this page and once you've seen all of this, the next step is to go to the right side of the screen where you can see three vertical dots. Once you see this, click on it. Once you've clicked on it, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, you'll see options like business profile settings, notifications, add a new business profile, your business profiles, and then help and support. So once you see it, just click on help and support. Now, once you click on help and support, you'll be redirected to the support team. Here you can decide to describe your issue by typing in the search box, and then you can also scroll down to check out articles on similar issues that you might experience on Google My Business. And then if you need more help, perhaps you could not find a solution after describing your issue and after searching out articles, you can decide to get answers from community members, or you can just click on the contact us option. And always click on the contact us option, you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to answer some questions such as what we can help you with, resources, or the or contact option. All right, so fill all of these, and then at the end of the day, you would get an answer to your question. So this is basically how we can contact Google Business Profile Support. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.